Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping hypercars on the planet, the 2025 Koenigsegg Regera in a stunning red carbon finish. This car isn't just about power, it's a statement, a marvel of engineering wrapped in the most eye-catching bodywork we've ever seen. So buckle up as we take a ride through everything that makes this Swedish masterpiece so special. The exterior of the 2025 Regera in red carbon is a breathtaking display of craftsmanship. Unlike a standard paint job, this exposed carbon fiber has been tinted in a deep crimson hue, creating a finish that reflects light in ways normal paint never could. The Regera's sculpted body is all about aerodynamics, featuring active rear wings, flush-mounted door handles, and the brand's signature dihedral synchro helix doors that swing out and up like futuristic art. It's sleek, it's aggressive, and it screams exclusivity. This is automotive design at its finest. Now, if you're wondering what kind of price tag this hypercar carries, brace yourself. The 2025 red carbon Koenigsegg Regera starts around $3 million, depending on customization. With options like this rare carbon finish, it can easily climb higher. But for collectors and those who can afford it, price is hardly the barrier, it's the limited availability and bespoke nature that make it even more desirable. Step inside, and the interior is just as mind-blowing. You're greeted by premium leather, real aluminum switchgear, carbon fiber panels, and a minimalist yet tech-savvy dashboard. There's an intuitive central touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, climate control, and even memory foam seats for added comfort. Every inch of the cabin is hand-finished, and thanks to the use of lightweight materials, nothing feels overdone, just luxurious and purposeful. When it comes to performance, the Regera lives up to its name, which means to reign in Swedish. It's powered by a hybrid powertrain combining a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with 3 electric motors, producing a total output of 1,500 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and has a top speed north of 250 miles per hour. Instead of a traditional gearbox, it uses Koenigsegg's innovative direct drive system, which eliminates the need for gear shifts entirely, delivering seamless, instant power at all speeds. In terms of safety, while the Regera doesn't come loaded with traditional driver aids like lane keeping or adaptive cruise control, it is a hypercar. After all, it's built with an incredibly strong carbon fiber monocoque chassis, advanced traction control, and high-performance ceramic brakes. For a car of this caliber, the safety approach is all about structural integrity and giving the driver total command. What truly sets the Regera apart are its unique selling points. The red carbon bodywork, the direct drive system, and the ability to cruise comfortably in electric-only mode around town or go full beast mode on the track. It's a fusion of raw power and daily usability in a package that few can rival. It's not just a car, it's a technological sculpture on wheels. In conclusion, the 2025 red carbon Koenigsegg Regera is more than a hypercar, it's a rare fusion of design, innovation, and performance. It challenges the limits of what's possible in automotive engineering, while also giving you an everyday drivability most hypercars just can't offer. Whether you're a collector, a speed enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the extraordinary, the Regera isn't just worth admiring, it redefines what it means to drive at the edge of the future.